Hey man, if you're watching this, it probably means you're done wasting time on things that don't work. You want something real, something that actually pays off for your effort. I get it, that's exactly where I was before I found this. This isn't another pitch or some get-rich scheme. It's a simple way to build real income from home without selling, cold messaging, or stressing over tech stuff. Here's how it works. When you go to livegoodregistration.com, you'll see a short 3-minute video that walks you through everything. How people are setting up their own business, getting their websites coded in their name, and earning weekly pay, even if they've never done this before. If you've tried things before that fell apart, if you're tired of hype and broken promises, or if you just want something honest that fits around your life, then keep watching, because this one's different. This simple system has helped thousands of everyday people start earning within days, get paid every week, and build recurring income that keeps coming month after month. No inventory, no pressure, no fake promises. There are just 3 steps. Start, plug in, stay consistent. That's it. Now, it's not for anyone looking to get rich overnight, but if you're serious, coachable, and ready to put in some effort, this can absolutely work for you. Go now to livegoodregistration.com and see how simple success can actually be when you finally find something real. Because a few weeks from now, you could be earning every Thursday, building an income that keeps growing even when you're not working. Go now to livegoodregistration.com and see how simple success can actually be when you finally find something real.